Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about meaning of business idea generations. So let's get started. Okay. So first thing first, what do you mean by business idea? Business idea is the foundation of any entrepreneurial venture. It refers to concept that can be transformed into product or service to meet customer needs and generate profits. So, business idea means when you are planning to venture into business, that means you must have some ideas of what are the problems that you are facing in the society or any areas, and you are solving the problems. And in terms of your ideas, process, efficiency, any areas you are coming with ideas and then transforming these ideas to the actual plans. Why? To meet the customer needs and generate profit. This is the main motto of H. To meet the customer needs and generate profit alongside. So now the idea generation is the most important part. Why? Because this is a systematic process of identifying, developing, then refining opportunities in the viable business concept. The first step in entrepreneurship as a strong idea increases the chance of success. Okay. So, what are the methods of generating business ideas? There are various types of methods which we are going to discuss it one by one. So, first is brainstorming. Brainstorming, a creative technique. It's a creative technique where individuals or groups generate large amount of idea without criticism, encourage free thinking and innovations. Later ideas are evaluated and refined. Main purpose of the brainstorming is to get maximum number of ideas without criticism, that anyone can in a group give as much of ideas he can without the second thought or the criticism. So later the idea is evaluated and then refined. For example, a group of students brainstorming ideas for startup may come up with concepts like online tutoring, food delivery, offering product. So these can be the ideas. Now, moving to next, market research and gap analysis. Studying the market to identify unmet needs and gaps. So this is also very important that you are conducting research in market and finding out what are the gaps exist or what the problem that individuals as a whole group facing in the society. That can you know only through the research and gap analysis. Analyzing customer complaints, preference, trends. That if people complain about expensive tuition classes, a student may start a affordable tuition service. This is the example. Okay, so now next, problem identification approach. Identifying problem faced by people and developing solutions. First is to identify the problem, that what the problem is being faced by people, and then develop solutions. Where is a problem? There is a business opportunity. Okay, this is the most important line here that you should remember. Where there is a problem, there is a business opportunity. For example, long waiting times in hospital may lead to the idea of an online doctor consultation platform. So this is the reason why you can see the online doctors consultation growing up platform. Then moving to next, customer feedback and surveys. So in this method, you are collecting opinions and suggestions from potential customers. This help understand the real needs and actual expectation. This is what happened the ground level of that you are going to conduct the surveys from the ground level customers. So this help finding the actual cause of dissatisfaction or satisfaction from the customers. So asking, for example, asking students what subject they struggle with can help design a targeted tuition service. Okay, moving to next, observation and experience. Observation, observing daily life, trained personal experience on personal experience to identify opportunities. This is also one method to generate ideas. Difficulty in finding healthy snacks means by the healthy food starter. This can be six. Imitation and adoption. Copying and modifying existing successful business type. Suppose you are closely watching a business who is growing aggressively in the market, has a successful story, then you can copy and modify the existing successful business model, adding ideas to the new market, improving them. You can do that. For example, starting a local version of online marketplace with better delivery options. That you find that the business lacks delivery options, so you may add it to best delivery options. Now coming to next, the use of creativity and innovation technique. Techniques like scamper. Scamper is substitute, combine, adopt, modify, put to another use, eliminate. Help generate new ideas. For example, modifying traditional tuition method by combining them with the digital learning tools. Now, next, technological changes. New technologies create new business opportunities. Entrepreneurs can develop ideas based on emerging tech trends. Growth of smartphone leads to app-based business like online. So different persons comes from a different background. Their experience, their way of looking to the society, the problem, to addressing problem, it may different. So when new technologies come to business, they come with a new business opportunity or new ideas. Their way of thinking or way of solving problems can be different. So they can develop ideas based on emerging tech trends. Moving to next, government policy and schemes. Government initiative, subsidies, policies can inspire business ideas that government looking at government initiatives and what are the subsidies that the government is going to provide and policies that change the business or what are the new policies that is promoting or inspiring business ideas. That is also a great role that plays in the generating ideas. For example, starting a solar panel installation business due to the government incentives. This is the best example. Moving to next, these trade fairs and exhibitions and networking. Attending exhibitions, events and interacting with professionals help discover new trend. You came to know about the different trends, products, and innovations when you get in touch with professions and attend industry events and attend exhibitions. Reverse thinking. Reverse thinking the opposite direction to find new ideas. Instead of asking what to add, ask what to remove or simplify. This is the reverse thinking. Franchise opportunities. Taking up a franchise of an established brand. Okay. If you don't want to take a risk much, then you can go for the franchise opportunities where you can take up a franchise of an established brand. Example, McDonald's is serving across the world. What is it? Thank you.